It's happened to all of us. You're driving down the highway, you turn to say something to your passenger, and turn back to see that the car ahead has unexpectedly stopped. You slam on the brakes and come to a halt. Hyundai created Forward Collision Avoidance Assist, or FCA, to help you avoid this situation. If your vehicle is equipped with FCA, it uses a camera to help detect and monitor the vehicle ahead of you, warns if a collision is imminent, and, if necessary, applies the brakes. Please be aware that it does not detect pedestrians. To activate the system and to adjust how close you can get to the vehicle in front of you before receiving a collision alert, you'll use the LCD display at the center of the instrument cluster and its control buttons on the right spoke of the steering wheel. Make sure the ignition switch is in the on position. Press the top left mode button until you see User Settings on the LCD display. Use Move to scroll to Forward Collision Avoidance Assist, FCA. Now press the Move switch. You'll see a new set of options. Use Move to scroll to Forward Collision Avoidance Assist, FCA. Press the Move switch again. The FCA system is now activated and will remain so until you deselect or turn off the system setting. Now let's see that whole process in real time. To select how close you can get to the vehicle in front of you before you hear a collision warning, press the top left Mode button until you see User Settings. Use the Move switch to scroll down to Driver Assistance and then press the Move switch. Use Move to scroll to Forward Collision Warning and press the Move switch once more. You'll discover three settings. When Early is selected, the initial Forward Collision Warning is activated earlier than normal, maximizing the distance between your vehicle and the vehicle ahead before the warning occurs. But be aware, if the vehicle in front of you suddenly stops, it's not going to feel like you have a long time to come to a halt. When Normal is selected, there is a nominal distance between your vehicle and the one ahead before the initial warning occurs. The Late setting reduces that distance even further. Select Late when traffic is light and driving speed is slow. Let's assume you want to set the Forward Collision Warning to Early. Use the Move switch to scroll to it and then press the Move switch. Now let's see the whole process in real time. So Forward Collision Avoidance Assist is activated and you've set your Forward Collision Warning distance. Remember, you can reset that distance at any time to reflect driving conditions.